Shocking allegations come to fore against Shiv Sena MP Arvind Sawant. Independent Lok Sabha MP from Maharashtra, Amravati's Navneet Rana has claimed that Sena MP threatened to burn her face with acid outside the parliament lobby after she raised questions against Uddhav government over Sachin Vaze case in the parliament. Not just that, she has also claimed that Sawant has also threatened her, saying that they will put her in jail when she returns to Maharashtra. She claims that this wasn't the first time that she has been threatened by Shiv Sena. Rana has written to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla apprising him about the incident. MP Arvind Sawant, however, has now denied making any such threats and termed her claims to be untrue.
ने आपसे कहा क्या लोकसभा के बाहर लॉबी में, क्योंकि वो डिनाई कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने आपसे कहा क्या?
When I started talking, I was in totally aggressive and I was talking what is actually fact. I am here to talk about people, what people think. I am representing 25 lakh people from my area, from my district. And I was talking exact that. And once I end up with my speech, and all the members from Shiv Sena, they were walking out, and Arvind Sawant just took 2 seconds of that. And he stayed and he said, now it is your turn to go behind the bar. And for me, for a second, I got blank. Whether I heard something wrong, what has been spoken by him. And then I turned behind, and one of my colleagues, he belongs to YS Jagan Mohan Reddy's party. I just turned him and I just asked him, did you hear what he said? And immediate, he said, yes, Navneet, I heard. I said, what did he say? Then he said me, he told they are going to put you behind the bar. That time I realized he threatened me in the house itself. I have got many letters, threatening letters from Shiv Sena. Yes, in one channel, just now, half an hour back, one channel, yes.
Okay. Ma'am, you've said that you were also threatened in the past by Shiv Sena. Were you threatened on telephone? Were you threatened through mail, through letters?
I have received letter also, and I've got many calls threatening by this ki you don't deserve talking about Uddhav Thackeray. If you talk against Uddhav Thackeray, the beautiful face you are taking and roaming in Maharashtra and other places, we will put acid on your face, and then you cannot even move an inch in your life. After this, if you talk about Uddhav Thackeray, they have threatened me 101 times on the phone. They have threatened me, they have given me letter according to that, ki we will put acid on your face. Then you see what is going to happen next. And I was just requesting the homo of this country, Amit Shah ji, ki now this inquiry should turn and should go to NIA completely, not an inch also. It should depend on Maharashtra, because Maharashtra, from last 1 year, if we see, everything is going blame and game. One party is blaming another one, other party is blaming another one, because हमारे महाराष्ट्र में ग्रहण लग गया है.
सरासर झूठ. हमने जिंदगी में, एक तो महिला है पहली बात, और ये नवनीत राणा जी है, वो आते जाते समय मुझे भैया दादा करके पुकारते, मैं भी उसके साथ बात करता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ना गुड़ा है. लेकिन एक बात कहता हूँ कि ये काम धमकाना, और महिला को, मैं शिवसेनी को इतना ध्यान में रखूं, महिला को धमकाने वाला काम करते नहीं, ने कभी धमकाया है. उसके इर्द गिर्द अगर कोई लोग होंगे तो बता देना कि अगर मैंने धमका.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.